I am so excited to tell you about this Swivel Shower Chair. Does a full 360 swivel. Absolutely awesome. Let me show you the chair itself. You have got the swivel seat with this backrest. It took all of a matter of 8 bolts to put this together. So you've got your 4 in the bottom here. That's what these are. And then you've got the 4 in the back. This literally took me 5 minutes to assemble. Also included, they did include this clip, which you then can place your shower head in to make it easy to reach. This does accommodate up to 330 pounds, and you can use it in tubs, showers, wherever you might have the need for a sit down while bathing or even in the pool. So as you see here, I'm going to sit down on this. We're going to do a full swivel. And you can go both directions here. So either way, full 360 turn, really great product. If you're in the need for a shower chair and want something with a little bit more versatility than just a regular standard shower chair that does not turn, really, really great option. And this can be used with a bath mat or without a bath mat. Fantastic product.